G'day everyone, Andrew here, Real 4x4 Adventures, coming to you from the back of the car. I've got a new little product that got delivered today. It's a home extinguisher pack from Stay Safe, also Lifesafe Technologies, and in Australia here it's sold by Go Safe. So, what is it? Okay, so firstly, this is the main part. On the left here, you've got this 5-in-1 extinguisher. So it works on electrical fires, cooking oil, textiles, petrol, diesel, paper, cardboard, etc. Now the other part there is it's called Pan Safe, and it's for pan fires. I figured I'd get the kit there because it comes with both, and by getting the kit it works out a fair bit cheaper and you get free delivery as well, at least at the time when I got it, it did. So that's why I went with both, but the main part here was this here. I'd seen these online and I was very impressed. You know, there's some videos there. It's a rainy day today, so I'm not going to do a really cool extinguishing demo today, but I thought I'd just have a look at the extinguisher and talk a little bit about it. So look, firstly, I was looking for a size comparison here. It's a Gatorade bottle and it's significantly smaller. Now we then throw in the current extinguisher that I use in my car, and that is a lot bigger, but more importantly it's a hell of a lot heavier. So I'm just going to move him out of the way. I've brought some little scales here to zero him out. Now the scales read a little bit high, but we'll do both so it's fair. And so that comes up as 305 grams. I believe it's a little bit lighter than that. And then this bad boy here comes up at 1.98 kilos. So nearly 7 times the weight. Now the idea with this is, and again I'll do a demo at some stage where I can actually put out a fire and we'll see how it goes, but the idea is being quite light, being quite compact, it's accessible, so you can get to the fire before it becomes a big out of control fire. Obviously the issue with these bigger extinguishers, you either have to have them fastened down somewhere so they don't become a projectile if you have an accident, but also accessible so you can get to the fire quickly. Whereas with these, you can have them in your glove box, you can have them in your door. For my purpose, it's mainly going to be for the four-wheel drive, so I'll have it probably in my center console. At this stage is the plan, but for people having them at home, you can keep them in the bench. They're small, they're compact, easy to use, or they're meant to be easy to use. I'll use one soon. On a work site for a builder, you can have it on boats, a range of uses there, but the idea is it's, from the videos, it packs quite a punch when it comes to extinguishing fires. But being quite small and compact, it's convenient, easy to use, and you can hopefully get to the fire before you've got to run, find an extinguisher, decide which extinguisher it is, because as many of you know, there's a range of different extinguishers depending on the fire, and the fact that this is a 5-in-1 and covers most fires is excellent, and the fact that it's easy to store, again, is excellent. So look, just a quick little video today, having a look at it. I will do a full demo putting out a fire, but so far super impressed with the size, the weight. Again, it's so small, it's, bring it back here, well smaller than the Gatorade bottle. So there's no reason to not have one. They are a little bit pricey. I think my kit was $69.99, I want to say. I could be wrong, but thereabouts, and that was delivered with the Pan Safe as well. But look, for anyone who is thinking for camping, for their house, on site for tradies, in their boat, they're thinking of fire extinguisher, but you know, they're heavy or they're big or whatever. Seemingly so far they seem amazing. So I'll do a demo though, and we'll make sure it actually is functional. But so far, really impressed. Yeah, really impressed. And the team there from Go Safe, super friendly, you know, interacting with them, asking lots of silly questions. They were more than happy to oblige, and really great customer service. So far, super recommend them. If it wasn't a rainy day, I would be doing this in front of a fire and would be about to do a demo. So hold tight. We'll do a fire demo in the not too distant future, but so far really impressed with this product. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions, pop a little comment down the bottom. And gosafe.com.au is their website. They've got an Instagram, they've got a Facebook page, and they're pretty prompt. Again, if you order one, order straight from their site there. They're pretty quick on deliveries. All right, thanks for watching.